How to change the lock screen clock on Android, or you can change the color icon on your Android. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can change the lock screen clock on your Android. For that, you have to watch this video till the end. So this is a fairly easy things to do if you want to change things off maybe. So you have to go to the analog one or change it to different colors if you get bored with your lock screen clock. So let's jump right into it. So here you can see that I'm on my Android phone. If we get to your home screen, you have to scroll down from the bottom. You have to scroll down from the top here. So in the top right hand corner, you can see the gear icon or you can navigate to your device setting. So once you are on your device setting here, you are going to scroll down and you can see the lock screen here. So if you find the lock screen, if you don't find, you have to just go for the solve setting and go for the lock screen. So once you are on your lock screen color format, you have to tap on that. So here you can see that you are on your lock screen clock format. After that, you have to scroll down and you can see the lock screen color format here. So the lock screen from the current is applied theme. So you can simply see that. If you want to remove that here, you have to go back and change your theme. You have to scroll down and go for the theme here. So here you can see that if you want to change the lock screen clock or change the color on your Android device, you have to just go and change your theme or wallpaper here like this. And once you are on your theme, you can select the theme here and you can basically see here the lock screen color format like this. Just go for the apply option. After that, you can go back here and you can lock your screen. Then you can change the lock screen clock format like this. So this way, you can easily change the lock screen clock on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.